Hello guys, I'm Rashmi. Welcome to my channel Java Ki Pathshala. In these sessions, I'm going to explain about some interview questions that are related about variables. The chapter variables. I have to cover some interview question. That interview question maximum asked by interviewer. Interviewer asks the question and you have to answer the question. So that looking at problem, there are many people, the student unable to give the answer. Whatever the simplest part. I'm covered the interview questions as I'm studying in the classroom for the videos. The same topic, the same questions I have introduced. Okay, and it's easy to remember those questions and summarize about your topic, previous topic knowledge. Okay, so um, I have discovered many questions easily understandable static variable. Okay, in interview room. So, not taking much more time, let's start our first question. This is all about static variable. Okay, I have covered some. Yes, I have to see you. First question is when you call a member is static. First question is when you call member is static. Simple question. When you call a member is static, the answer is that a member which are contain a static keyword is called static member. The member which is in creation statement. In this creation statement, if it is content, it is have static member, static member common static keyword. This is called static member. Okay, I think you got my point. Simple point. There is no confusion. Okay, creation statement, the variable having static keyword. This is called static members. Okay, I think it's clear. Then second question in Java file where I can declare a starting member. In Java file where I can declare a starting member. That means in Java file where with the place you can declare static members. Simple answer is that inside a class level, inside a class level and declare inside a class level or inside if declare method level through arrow. Okay, so you can declare static member inside class level. Inside class level, but if you're trying to declare static members in method, that is through compiler through error. Okay, so that you can you have to declare only class level pointer to this class level. Okay, and then third question that who will you JVM execute static variable by default. That means can a JVM by defaultly execute the static variables. That answer is yes. Static variable always executed JVM automatically. Static variable executed JVM automatically. So that always JVM static variable get automatically initialized. Okay, in JVM. Then this question is that fourth question: can developer execute static variables? Can developer execute static? That means uh, developer means we are. Can we are static variable execute or not? No, we cannot execute static variable. Static variable automatically execute by JVM. So answer is no. Answer is no. Then five question is important question: when, how, memory, when, when, where, how. That is a simple memory location provided. That means where it give memory location. That means answer is that load JVM in class area, method area. If I create method area or class area, it gave memory located is provided to the variables. Okay, I think you got my point. Then sixth question is how many static variable we can define a class. How many static variable we can declare class? The answer is that as many possible, multiple. That is no limitations that you can define one or two static variable in a class. As many you can define. What is the order of execution? Seven question. Okay, seven question. What is the order of execution? Static variables. Static variable execution. Static variable execution. What is the order? In previous video, I explained about those points. Can you say me that? Answer that. What is the order of execution? What is the order of execution? Tell me what is the order of execution? The order of execution is the order of execution top to bottom as they define. But if you define top to bottom as they define, they execute top to bottom. Okay, execution is top to bottom. Then eighth question is lifetime and scope of static variable. Lifetime scope. Lifetime means when you start and when you end. Then static variable start when class loaded JVM. When class loaded JVM, then lifetime start. Scope is that lifetime started and end is that when class is destroyed. When class is destroyed or class is removed from JVM. That's the scope. Okay. The ninth question is that I think you got my point. It basically questions as the interviewer. I think it's seriously read. Okay, those questions are most important questions. Static variable is memory shared common to all classes. Method loaded inside a JVM. Static variable memory shared common to all classes. Method loaded by JVM. True or false? This is true or false. That means static variable can provide memory common to all classes. Yes, or method. Yes, this is right because static variable provide one copy memory without creation object common to all. It provide common to all. Okay. Then 10th question is that what is duplicate variable? What is duplicate variable? The definition is that a variable that created with existing variable name is same scope is called duplicate variable. The variable that created with existing variable name its same scope is called duplicate variable. It's called duplicate variable. Then go to our 11 question that is not present in the slide, but I want to give more interview question that help to the interview room. Okay. The second 11 number question is inside a method, can you declare local variable or parameter with same name? Inside a method, can you declare local variable parameter name same? No, you cannot declare local variable or parameter name same. The answer is that no. Then question, can you create parameter into different method with same name? In a different method you can declare because one method scope is different, another method scope is different. Okay, there is two scope. Suppose you are created void m1 method. That is scope for m1 method is open bracket to close bracket. Okay, I give an example. See, suppose I declare a method. Suppose void m1 method. This is a one scope. Okay, then I keep another method of void m2 method. Here is another method declare. Can I declare question that can I declare parameter is two different method same name. Here is parameter. Suppose I declare parameter name and a is same as like m2 method and I declare. Yes, you can declare. There is no problem. There is no because this is, here m1 method scope is still the open bracket to close bracket. M2 method scope is still to open bracket close bracket. Okay, you can declare. Then static variable name. Can we create local variable or parameter variable? With static variable name. You can create static variable name as local variable parameter name, but that time there is no compile time error. But that's sort of data shadowing, variable shadowing. That means shadowing concept is clear. You can create, but that undergo the concept of variable shadowing. Variable shadowing means create a local variable or parameter variable as static or non-static with a static variable or class name. This is called variable shadowing. Okay, this is called variable shadowing. Then you have a question that how static variable differentiate from local variable with both have same name. Both have same name. Here is the example. Suppose I have a static. I have a created class. So class is example. I have created class. Inside a class, I declare a static variable static and a equal to 10. Okay, I have a created public static. Simply as I did public static void main. This is the main method. A simple write short form. Okay, and string array args string array args. Here I declare same same variable. Okay, declare and a equal to 20. This is undergoes to static variable shadowing concept, because here static variable name is same and here is variable name same. Those two variable, one is a class level variable, this is a class level variable, this is local variable. The method name, sorry, variable name same, so that it undergoes to variable shadowing. If we create, then how can I differentiate local variable and class level? That means how can I differentiate? You can differentiate by using, write the code, yes, by using class name, by class name dot variable name. Okay, in this way you can declare. Suppose here is a class name is example dot variable a. If you declare those thing, those type, you can differentiate as local variable and class level variable. What is the order of execution of static variable and main method? What is the execution of static variable and main method? First static variable executed, then main method is executed. First static variable are executed, then main method executed. How Java executed static variable before main method, even through it is defined as main method. How Java static variable before main method. Always, always static variable get initialized. Always starting initial before main method. I think you got that point. However, I explained this video, and the next video I am explaining the interview questions about, starting method. So that was also important. Starting method interview questions. I have I think I create more than 15 questions about interview question about starting method. That is helpful to an interviewer. Okay, this is for today. Thank you for watching. If you like, please share, comment, and if you have any doubt, still whatever I explain, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.